getting some questions about how to remove the plant material from a TE12,000 column, which, by the way, this 12,000 means that it's a 12-liter column, and the ability to perform high-density extractions using hydraulic fluid pressure allows you to extract from higher density. So this 12-liter column right now holds 15 pounds of plant material. So in the event that your perforation plate at the bottom of the column is stuck, you just give it a whack like that, and then all the material just slides out the top. Once all the material has been emptied out of the column, it's a good idea to just sit there for a minute and wait for the dust inside to settle. Which brings up an interesting point. When you're done extracting, you shouldn't be able to smell anything in your plant material. And when you're running the extractor, you shouldn't smell anything either. In propane industry, they put mercaptans in propane so that you can detect a leak. It gives it an odor, where without it, it has no odor. So if you can smell what you're extracting, that's pretty good evidence that you have a leak somewhere. In addition, if you're extracting an aromatic out of your plant material and you can smell it when you're done extracting, in some cases a very strong odor is present, then that means you didn't extract everything out. So you may be leaving something behind.